Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to manage devices on Crunchyroll. First thing you will have to do is to go up here to your profile picture and click on it. This will open up this menu where you have to click on this gear icon which says settings. Now go down here and you will be able to see device management, so click on that as well. And here you will have your devices listed. You can deactivate all devices if you want, or you can deactivate them one by one by clicking on this deactivate button right next to a device that you want to deactivate. You should be able to see the device name and also how many of the devices you have. You can have up to 20 devices, so you can also activate device from here. Just click here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.